Here's a quick maintenance guide for your Sulis wood-fired hot tub. Weekly, we just want to ensure that the water is nice and clean and fresh. Due to there being no filtration or circulation, the longest that we expect you to get out of one cycle of water is 1 to 1.5 weeks. Fortnightly, give your hot tub a rinse with fresh water. Get the hose and a light brush and brush the inside of your hot tub. Monthly to 2 monthly, give your hot tub a thorough clean on the inside using some gentle household detergent or dishwashing soap. This just keeps all the little joints clean and free from bacteria. 6 to 8 monthly, I recommend applying another coat of timber oil. This can be purchased through our website, or if you contact us directly, we'll know what we supplied you with. This is really important because it keeps the tub nice and conditioned and it prevents any cracks or UV damage. In between uses of your wood-fired hot tub, this is how I recommend to clean it. With your garden hose, give it a bit of a squirt down. And then with some gentle household cleaner detergent and a little scrubbing brush, I just put a little bit on the seats and on the side of the tub, and then with your brush just give it a light scrub. And then once we've done the sides and the seat, we can do the base. Once you've given everything a good little scrub, just with your hose again, rinse off any detergent and let it drain out. We've now rinsed our tub, we've given it a light scrub, and then we've rinsed off the detergent. Finally, what's really good to do, while the remainder of the water is draining out, just leave the lid off the tub for 30 to 40 minutes. Allow the sun to get into it, and that'll kill any remaining bits of bacteria. It'll dry out the surface of the wood, and it'll leave your tub feeling really clean.